welcome back to Satwa's channel. I am Ocean Thakur and today I am gonna be sharing with you my hair care routine with Satwa's premium hair oil, which everyone knows is a great hair oil to take care of your hair because it has a blend of 9 essential hair oils. And I'm also gonna be sharing today with you some simple hairstyles, so stay tuned and keep on watching. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button below to keep updated with the further updates. So firstly, every night before my wash day, I use the Satwa's premium hair oil on my scalp and massage it thoroughly. I make sure that every part of the scalp is covered with the oil and I drench my hair completely from the roots to the length and massage it, and also use inversion method for like 5 minutes. In that method, I just tilt my hair towards down and then massage my scalp. That creates an extra circulation, blood circulation on my scalp, and that really helps in hair growth as well. Also help us reach 100 likes by clicking that thumbs up button below. That would really mean a lot. Then I secure them in a braid and then tie it for the whole night. And then I wake up and use a sulfate free shampoo to wash my hair, and while it air dries I do my makeup and change my clothes, and when it dries completely I do my hair part. So now I'm gonna share with you my hairstyles. So first is this rope braid. Rope braid is actually very quick to do and it actually looks very effortless, and it's good for work as well as college. All you have to do is put your hair towards one side and keep 2 sections and roll the 2 sections towards the back and keep scrolling them over the top from the front to the back, and then add sections to each section and then roll and then scroll on the top of each other. That is how you can create a rope kind of crown on the head, and until you reach your ears, use all the hair that completely fits inside the 2 ropes. And when you completely end up with no extra section left to add onto the ropes, actual task comes up here when you have 2 ropes left. Now you have to turn the 2 ropes towards the back and then twist and turn on top of each other in the opposite direction so that they do not untie and do not lose. Tease them and kind of scrunch them and create kind of volume on the top and as well as on the braid. That creates a nice volumized rope braid, and this is how you create the rope braid. Next is actually a thing which I actually love for my dance and my Zumba events. I've done it previously and everyone loved it. This is actually, you have to take kind of a 2 inches section on the top of the head and then create a French braid on the top. So French braid is actually very easy. You have to take a braid kind of section on the front and then keep creating the French braid till the crown area. So if I am to leave my hair open, I usually create a braid on the back, and it usually looks good with a ponytail and a volumized ponytail, but you can also leave them open. and it looks very beautiful. You can also add some volume on the top, and this way it looks very pretty and very, you know, effortless kind of hairstyle. The third look is actually very chic as well. All you have to do is take a crown section, like 2 inches section on the crown area, and tie kind of ball on the top, and then twist and turn the rest of the hair around it in a way that it creates a messy kind of ball thing. You can tease it and leave it the way you want. A messy kind of thing looks better. And with the front sections, you can create a half French braid. A half French braid is a one-sided French braid where you have to take sections only from the one side towards the back, and when you are done doing that, you just have to take a bobby pin and secure it on the back from the both sides. And that is that. You can either leave your hair in a ponytail and it will look like this, or you can leave your hair open and that will also look very nice. So that is that, guys. Hope you guys liked the video, and also check out my cut crease makeup tutorial, which is on the left of the video, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.